everyone, this is Annette from Real Leads Finder Pro. I hope you're all doing well. I wanted to show you some new changes that have occurred here in the system by GoHighLevel. You may or may not have noticed that your Launchpad looks a little different. They have completely overhauled the look and feel of the Launchpad, and this is to your benefit. So I just wanted to cover some of these changes. The first one is your foundational setup. So that includes creating a new contact, importing and engaging all of your contacts instantly, generating new leads. You see, you have different things, and depending on what you choose, there's a little video that will, for instance, show you, the steps to launching your first campaign and driving engagement. And then this one, for instance, set up a multi-channel communication.
In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your
here.
email, SMS, and phone services in order to start communicating with your customers across multiple mediums.
See that? So you are instantly brought into a video that shows you how to get started, and then it takes you right into the system and the place in the system to follow along with the video. You can, if you wanted to, you can also here set up guides. If I wanted to click on marketing and lead generation, here it walks you through, if you want to do it via social media posts, using the social planner and all of your social media in one place, maintaining, your consistent presence across platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and others, LinkedIn and TikTok and other places. So this one, capture new leads with Facebook and Instagram lead ads. Now this again walks you through the process on how to manage your lead generation ads. Also, reach customers with your first text message campaign. Now, in order to send text messages, please, I need to remind you that you need to be A2P registered. And if you have any issues with that, if you don't know what that means, please reach out to me. My team is ready to help you. They have a 99% success rate first time out, which is important because with the FCC that is requiring this A2P registration, you only get 3 tries. So, basically what I'm saying is let us do it for you, because we'll do it right. We'll get it done and quickly. Also, so here, if we want to go into sales and conversations, you've got engaged website visitors in real time with live chat. That basically walks you through the process of building a chatbot that can live on either your Facebook page or your website, which is a great way to, it's just another avenue for lead generation, to engage those who are visiting your site or your Facebook page. For instance, answer frequently asked questions. Even when you're away from the computer, it's doing it for you 24/7. Streamlined Facebook and Instagram conversations for faster response. Many of you may or may not already know that you should know that through the social planner you can respond. It's going whenever someone replies or comments on one of your scheduled posts. It will show up right there in the planner, and you can respond automatically. You can set it up to respond automatically, or you can respond directly without having to log into Facebook and or LinkedIn in order to do so. You can do it right from the planner. Website and monetization. Launch a professional website if you don't already have one. We have thousands of templates, and if you're in the pro plan, you know that you can use AI. Just tell it what kind of website or landing page you're looking to build, and it will put it all together for you and then help you write the content and edit it and things like that, and make it your own. Migrate your WordPress site. If you already have a WordPress site, you can connect and get it talking to the system. And there are lots of advantages to it, including the fact that there's higher security to your WordPress site, and it'll run a lot faster. It really speeds it up dramatically. So without having to log into WordPress to access your site, once you've migrated it into the system, you can directly access it right from here, edit, add pages, add landing pages, connect it, and wonderful things like that. Also, e-commerce. If you're an e-commerce shop, you can launch, it basically takes you step by step. Launch your first product and start selling, launch your first online course, for instance, and start earning. Start collecting payments with Stripe, accept payments easily with a custom payment link, which are very useful, and generate and send professional invoices. So as you can see, this is designed to make things so much easier for you, taking you, a little, definitely more hand holding. Not only does it give you a video, but then it takes you directly to where you need to go to start to start building your marketing. So I'm really excited about these changes to the layout. I hope you guys are too, and take full advantage of it. Of course, if you have any questions, you need to talk to me. If you're new to GoHighLevel and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses. The Success Hub is a step-by-step video library built for beginners with ongoing training on automations, AI tools, reputation management, and real marketing strategies. Visit realleadsfinder.com for more information.